And in this video, I want to talk about how to make money online. But it's not gonna be what you're normally used to hearing, because a lot of people will tell you, "Oh, start a blog or start a YouTube channel or find a business opportunity," and all those things. You can make money online, but if you're coming into this and you don't have any money, you're still not gonna make any money online, because there's certain things that you're gonna need, and it's gonna take money to get started. Unless you're just gonna do like the apps, and like certain apps you can start for free and you have to work the apps, but you're gonna have to work really hard to make money with those apps. But this is what you should do in the beginning before you look for an opportunity or even think about starting the opportunity. First thing you should do is start a LLC or a corporation. And what a LLC or corporation is, it's basically you're starting a real business, and you're operating as a real business instead of operating as the regular natural human, the social security number person. You'll be operating as the EIN person. It's you, but it's not you. But it's a business. You'll be operating as a real business instead of operating as the natural person, and you're not gonna get but so far as the natural person. So we live in a world of capitalism. So you're gonna have to operate in the way that everybody should be operating, but they want people. They had to create a workforce. That's what the schools was created for, so that you could get comfortable being around people, and you could get comfortable following directions and taking orders from people. So that's what the school system was created for. But once you start your LLC, then you're just gonna start building your business credit for that particular LLC, because you can start as many LLCs as you want. And your first LLC should be, you can set it up as a holding company, and you basically build a business credit for that. And then, like, say you wanna start another company. Like, say you start another LLC, uh, rental cars, and you build your business credit for that LLC, and this top LLC is the holding company. And then, all right, let's say you start a rental start a rental property service. That's another LLC. And let's say you want to travel. You can use this travel LLC. And what else can you do? Okay, so now you can start your online venture. I guess say Ecom Store LLC. So that's 5 LLCs. And then we're gonna say you got 50K here. 50 here. 50K. Okay. And another 50K. All right. So you got 50K through the 5 LLCs. Altogether, you got 250K revolving cash credit across 5 LLCs. And that's just a low number. But instead of you, like, you see these gurus they make their money by selling you courses. But 9 times out of 10, this is what these so-called gurus are doing. But they're not telling you this because you are their customer. So they're not gonna tell you this because then you become their competition. And a lot of people online are not gonna tell you this right here. This is $1 million game right here. This is something that I paid money to learn. And I'm teaching you this on YouTube for free. But this is what you need to be doing. And where I live in Maryland, so a LLC is like $100. So you just imagine that I took $100 and look at these 5 LLCs and turned it into $250,000. And this is just the low end. Because really in 6 months you could build up 250 and revolving cash credit. So you figure that's 1.2 million just off $100. You know what I'm saying? So this is what you should be focusing on. Your LLC. You could do this with one LLC, but you want eventually you're gonna once you learn the steps, you're gonna want to start another business. You're just gonna want to start other businesses because it just grows your net worth. Because right now your net worth would be $250,000 by just building your business credit. So, but if you want really make money online, start a LLC and build your business credit. And then you can compete with the gurus that you're following. You can compete with them. Then you can't compete with them right now because you don't have a bag behind. But if you do this and then you come back, you got that bag behind you. And then those gurus gonna see you doing numbers, and then they gonna think it came from their little game they gave, what little chopped up game they gave you, but really it's coming from the game I just gave you for free. I want to see people win because I see so many people struggling online, and they really don't have to be struggling because it's easier than what they think. So that's it for the video. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video, and share this video because people online, newbies, need to see this because I know a lot of people are searching for how to make money online. Share this video. Peace.